Hi, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. It's been a while since I've been moving, but Madam Glam sent me their May collection, so I decided to paint my natural nails with it and record a little DIY for you all. Like I said, I'm in the middle of moving, so that's why I'm not currently wearing a press-on nail set. Because I just didn't want to lose any, pop any off, while moving. I mean, if you are doing anything excessive with your hands, the press-on nails definitely may not last as long. So that is why I decided to just paint my natural nails. So I am starting off with a rubber base coat by Madam Glam, and this one is called India. It is a very, very sheer pink. I have already shaped my nails, and now I am just coming in with a buffing block to gently remove the shine off the surface of your nails. And then once you have done that, I am using some isopropyl alcohol to clean off the dust and any other oils and impurities that may be on your nail plate, because that is what will cause lifting. So you definitely want to make sure you've used isopropyl alcohol, or you can use acetone to clean off the nails right before you apply your base coat. So this is India. It is a rubber base. Now, a rubber base coat is just a little bit more pliable and flexible. It's also good for filling in any ridges if you have bumpiness on your nail plate. I definitely prefer a rubber base coat over just a regular base coat, but if you don't have one, it's not a big deal. Just use a regular base coat. But definitely always use a base coat to protect your natural nail and to make sure there's optimal adhesion for your gel polish. I also find that a rubber base coat is just easier to apply because it is a little bit thicker and doesn't run into your cuticles at all, as you can see here. Now, you do want to float your brush. I'm not applying very much pressure here at all, and I am just lightly floating the brush over top of the polish. I'm not really pressing down. I wouldn't say I'm painting it on. I'm just allowing a nice amount to come down on the brush and then slowly floating it evenly over the nail plate. It is hard to tell here. I know it looks like I'm brushing, but you can see how slow I'm going, and I'm really not applying much pressure at all. You don't really want to pull on the polish. You just want to float it over the nail so that it applies nice and evenly and then does not run into your cuticles. If you want to try out Madam Glam's rubber base coat, you can always use my code BeckyTK40 to get 40% off Madam Glam gel polishes, which is an awesome deal. So here I am finally doing my thumbnail. Now I do cure my entire hand all at once, so although I have my hand curved around, the base coat on my other nails is not cured yet, and I am not worried about it running into my cuticles or anything like that. It is such a great base coat, especially for beginners. So now that the base coat is cured, I'm coming in with the first color, which is called Apple Bite, which is a neon green. I guess it's like a green apple. You can see it on my thumb with 3 coats completed. The first coat is quite sheer, which is not usually typical of Madam Glam polishes. They're usually quite opaque, so I am a little surprised at how sheer this one is. So on my ring finger, I'm using Spring Fever, which is a beautiful, beautiful teal. This might be now my favorite teal gel polish. It is just absolutely gorgeous and perfect for spring, but also like going into summer. This is just such a gorgeous, gorgeous teal. I mean, comment if you love teal. I absolutely love this color. And now for the middle finger, we have Cloudless, which I would say is like a robin's egg blue or maybe like a Tiffany blue. I'm not sure. What would you say this color looks like? I mean, I just love this color too, especially with Spring Fever. Like if you did a nail art design with those 2 colors, I think that would be just absolutely gorgeous. Maybe I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure, but I don't know, something beachy, I think, or maybe just floral or like foliage or something. I don't know. I just absolutely love those 2 colors, and always clean up any gel that you get on your skin before you cure, or else you will get lifting. Okay, so out of the entire collection, this color is my absolute favorite. This is Bluebell, and it is a gorgeous, I don't know, periwinkle, lavender. What color is this? It's purple. It's a bluish purple. It's so perfect. To be honest, all the colors in this collection go so well together, and Madam Glam is so good at doing that. When they create their collections, the colors are like so cohesive and go so well with each other for nail art designs. I just love it so much. And now for the final color, which is a Barbie pink, and this is Tulips. I don't know why. You know what? Like, I'm not big on wearing pink, but if you look at my nail polish collection, I probably like a quarter of it is pink nail polishes. So, I don't know. There's just something about pink that I'm just so attracted to it. What do you guys think of this color? It's so gorgeous. Definitely a bright Barbie pink, and it would be perfect for summertime. I just love it. So now that they are all painted, I am going to cure the first coat for 30 seconds in an LED, and now I'm coming in with the second coat, and I did speed this part up because it's literally just me painting the same colors again on my nails. But I do think everyone likes to see how the polish applies, on each coat. You can definitely get away with 2 coats on most of these polishes. However, like I said, the apple bite on the pinky, I did end up doing 3 coats just to make it fully opaque. I just found it to be a little bit sheer, but all the other polishes I did only do 2 coats, and who doesn't love a 2-coater? Honestly, like, something about having to do a 3rd coat is like such a pet peeve of mine. With press-on nails, obviously I have to always do a 3rd coat because the nail is completely clear, and I hate it. So Madam Glam polishes are definitely a lifesaver with the ones where you can get away with 2 coats. So now that that's cured, we are coming in with Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat, and I'm not sure if they changed their formula since last time, but I do find it to be a little bit thicker now, which I actually prefer. It applies, I don't know, it just applies nicer and doesn't flood your cuticles at all because of like the thickness of it. I'm not sure if anyone else has noticed that they've done that, or I mean, maybe it's just the bottle that I got. I'm not sure. Comment below if you've noticed any difference with their top coat. I love all their top coats, to be honest. Their matte top coat is very good. You just have to make sure you shake it, which is like all matte top coats. And their regular wipeable top coat is also really nice. But I mean, I just prefer a no wipe. I find the shine on the no wipe top coats are just a little bit better than on the wipeable ones. I'm not sure why. And then no wipe top coats, I just feel like there's just a lot more application, opportunities with them and nail art with like your pigments and like chromes and things like that. So I do prefer a no wipe top coat, but honestly, all of the top coats from Madam Glam are absolutely amazing. If you liked this video or found it helpful in any ways, please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what type of nail art designs you'd like me to do tutorials for, because I am moved into my new house, I'm situated, and I am ready to get going on some more tutorials for you guys. So please comment below what you'd like to see. And I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please, please, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.